In this video, we are going to talk about real estate versus crypto. Which is better? So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Investing your money is the way to go if you want to grow wealth or ensure that you have a big retirement fund. However, with so many investment options accessible today, you may be thinking if you should stick to what you know, such as real estate, or plunge into the murky but possibly lucrative realm of cryptocurrencies. Here are some things to think about if you're trying to figure out which is the better investment. What is crypto? While you may have heard of Bitcoin, you may not be aware of what it is in terms of an investment. Crypto is the abbreviation for cryptocurrency. It's a new kind of digital money that uses blockchain technology to let you to purchase, sell, and invest. There are various types of crypto today, each of which is referred to as a token. There are dozens of different tokens available right now, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Tether, and many more. If this all sounds a little strange, think of tokens in the same way you think of car wash tokens or gaming arcade tokens. They are issued by various organizations and may only be used in certain locations. There's a lot to learn about cryptocurrency, so whether you decide to invest or not, you should educate yourself on all of the facts. Does crypto have benefits as an investment? Cryptocurrency does, in fact, provide investing benefits. To begin with, you won't need much money to get started. Most crypto trading sites allow you to acquire cryptocurrency for as little as a few dollars. In 2010, when Bitcoin was originally introduced as the first cryptocurrency, it could be purchased for as little as 0.08 cents per coin. One Bitcoin is now worth around $58,000. You may, however, acquire fractional shares of any cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. There is also a slew of other, more cheap cryptocurrencies where you can join in on the ground floor. This allows you to have a well-diversified crypto wallet for a little initial cost. Perhaps the most significant advantage is cryptocurrency's long-term potential for profits that defy belief, as in the case of Bitcoin. Other tokens, like as Ethereum, have also shown their enormous growth potential via large increases. Some individuals, as you may have heard in the press, have already grabbed their winnings and retired on smart crypto investments. Are there any drawbacks to investing in crypto? You have to take the good with the bad when investing in cryptocurrency. To begin with, unlike real estate, crypto is not a physical asset. As a result, it is vulnerable to cyber attacks, which might result in your financial ruin. Hackers hijacked roughly 6,000 clients of the online Bitcoin platform Coinbase in the spring of 2021. Although Coinbase compensated those consumers, the attack shows the vulnerability of digital currency exchanges such as Coinbase. Along with this risk, cryptocurrency has shown to be a very volatile investment with significant swings in either direction. It might be at an all-time high one month and then fall to an all-time low the following. If you thought markets were volatile, wait till you see how volatile Bitcoin is. Crypto is not part of the centralized financial system, which is one reason for the vulnerability. Because it is so new, governments are still trying to figure out how to control it. As a result, before really investing in cryptocurrency, think about your financial objectives and how much risk you're willing to face. The benefits of real estate investing. Investing in real estate has, without a doubt, survived the test of time for hundreds, if not thousands, of years. Its capacity to provide investors with passive income via monthly rent payments from tenants in both residential and commercial buildings has long been one of the reasons for its popularity and dependability. Another benefit of real estate is that it nearly invariably increases in value over time with little or no effort on the part of the property owner. This is particularly true when you engage in Martel Turnkeys turnkey rentals, which already have a renter and a property management firm in place. You'll likely boost the value of your property by many $1,000s over the years if you keep up with upkeep and repairs via that property management firm. Finally, real estate is a physical item that everyone needs. People will always need housing, venues to do business, and virtually everything else you may think of. Real estate drawbacks. While there aren't many disadvantages to real estate investment, there are a few of them. To begin with, it may be costly to purchase, keep, and maintain. The most difficult obstacle that consumers confront is frequently coming up with the initial down payment. These challenges may be readily solved by investing with a renowned turnkey real estate firm and having a strong property management company in place. Also, if you want to turn your real estate investment into cash quickly, it may be more difficult than you think. Finding a buyer for your house will usually take a few months. You may sell your crypto holdings in a couple of minutes. However, since people are constantly seeking good real estate investments, selling a good turnkey rental property may be simpler than you think. Cryptocurrency in 2022. Bitcoin is in the midst of the second most steady and comprehensive drop of 2021. It has already dropped almost 28% from its previous high, and even if it stops short of $30,000, it's clear that Bitcoin will have a tough time returning to its annual high, much alone reaching the predicted peak of $100,000. This, however, may not always be a terrible thing. In some ways, Bitcoin and the crypto market, in general, are through a correction, and 2022 may be a new beginning. And if Bitcoin falls further, to $30,000 or below, as we approach 2022, and other cryptocurrencies follow suit, purchasing them for the next rise might help you raise your wealth significantly by the end of the year. A crypto stock like Hive Blockchain Technologies, TSXV, Hive, is an excellent place to start if you want to invest in the asset without actually buying it. It has already seen a correction, similar to the underlying crypto assets, and is down over 44% from its previous high. However, as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies begin to recover in 2022, a steeper fall might convert into a stronger rebound. This year, Hive Blockchain reached two peaks, one with a 200% increase and the other with a 135% increase. That's a higher rate of growth than Bitcoin itself. As a result, investing in crypto stock may provide you with the opportunity to make large profits. Real estate in 2022. Unlike cryptocurrency, real estate has yet to see a thorough correction, which is long overdue. However, unlike crypto, it is a very concrete asset that is psychologically more appealing than a highly speculative and intangible asset like Bitcoin. So, even in its current precarious form, real estate may seem to be a superior investment option, not just for 2022, but for nearly any year. A real estate stock is the most apparent option, even if the underlying asset is generally too pricey for most retail investors. And you can limit the risk by investing in a company like Canadian Apartment Properties REIT, TSX, CAR.UN, which has repeatedly demonstrated its worth. It's also a dividend aristocrat, with a modest yield of 2.4% right now. The REIT's 10-year CAGR of 14.2%, on the other hand, is a considerably more compelling rationale to consider purchasing it. At the time, the price is also fairly appealing. So which investment is best? While cryptocurrency has some exciting investment opportunities, most financial experts believe that real estate is still a much more dependable way to create wealth and generate passive income in retirement. If you're wondering why real estate is still believed to be better than cryptocurrencies, it all boils down to risk. While Bitcoin and other tokens may seem to make you a billionaire overnight, cryptocurrency is still a highly speculative investment that puts your money at risk. A real estate investment, on the other hand, will provide you with a physical asset that will most likely improve in value year after year, will be used by someone on a daily basis, and will provide you with passive income while demanding very little of your attention. While the decision to invest in a turnkey rental property is ultimately yours, taking your money and putting it in a turnkey rental property is likely to develop wealth considerably quicker and safer than betting on Bitcoin. There is a strong tie between real estate and crypto. Which option you will choose? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.